What's up everybody? I'm 𝒟𝒪𝒲𝒩, and hey, we're not playing a video game today or a vlog. Guess what we're doing? We're doing a product review. What we're reviewing today is actually this. It's OVERTONE. It's supposed to be a daily conditioner based dye that doesn't damage your hair. So supposedly this is supposed to make your hair instantly back. Now I was dumb and didn't read the product description, which apparently meant I had to buy a deep dye. So this might not work completely because this is a daily dye. I'm saying dye a lot. I hope YouTube doesn't restrict my videos or some shit. And a small daily use dye sounds a lot better than all of this. This is usually what I have to use on my hair on a daily basis, which is a shit ton of bleach packs, a hair steam pack which keeps it soft, a brush kind of like this because anything else will make your hair frizzy as all fuck. These are dye brushes. Really important, even though I honestly don't really use these half of the time. Some more of these which help bleach my hair out and make it like pitch white. One of these which makes my hair not dead, which is very great. One of these to keep the dye in so it doesn't bleach up all my dishes. Coconut oil, and so on and so on. So now that we're back in here, and also sorry for the awkward camera angles in here, this is the best I can do without dropping any of my equipment. So let's get started. What the fuck am I doing? I almost twisted off the cat foot. Phone out of the way because we don't want to fuck that up. Shit, I realized I forgot to get my hair wet. Give me a minute.
A few moments later.
Now that my hair is wet, we need to get the stuff. Which is this. I just did a fucking hair flip. Alright. And now we just gotta wait for a little bit.
1 hour later.
Alright, so it's been 5 minutes, so this is already beginning to get way too cringy. Anyways, so I say that's a good product. It is pretty damn pricey for what you get though. Like, that might be like the main drawback for me on that. Cause 30 bucks for this, and it's a daily thing, even though let's be honest, everyone's probably gonna use this every third day or fourth day, to be honest. It's really good, gives you good color, doesn't make the darker parts of your hair look weird, and yeah. Also, it ended up being able to fix my fried parts, because some of it got fried from bleaching so much. So that's really cool that I managed to fix it somehow. Anyways, it's a great product. I'll link the store down below. And if you like this video, thumbs up or don't. YouTube doesn't really do anything either way anymore. See you guys in the next one. This was way too cringy. Bye.